Welcome back to the channel, and in this video, zero sugar versus diet soda. Traditionally, there has been a simple way to identify your favorite soda brand's version of their low-calorie or zero-calorie soda product, and that is simply to look for the word diet printed on the label next to whatever the brand name was of soda that you preferred, whether it was Diet Pepsi, Diet Coke. They all work the same way, and this was kind of the way the entire industry marketed their lower calorie versions of their sodas. But recently there has been a growing trend where in store shelves, emerging zero sugar products are starting to pop up right next to the diet versions of the very same type of product, the very same brands. And there's a couple of differences that I'm gonna talk about in this video. The zero sugar versions of most carbonated beverages and sodas are basically trying to emulate the taste of the original product. So if you look at, say, diet soda versus zero sugar in terms of the in the Pepsi family, the zero sugar version is supposedly gonna taste more similar to the regular Pepsi, or the Coke version is the same thing. The zero sugar Coke is gonna taste more similar to the regular Coke product. And the diet versions of both of those brands and others are probably gonna be a little bit different in taste. I personally have noticed that the diet sodas tend to be a little bit more, either a little bit sweeter or a little bit more bitter in taste. But again, that's just a personal preference thing. Everybody has different taste buds and just the way they and what they like. But that's just what I've noticed. And yes, I can say that the zero sugar versions of these products are actually very similar in taste to the regular non-diet versions, but they don't have any calories, or they are very low in calories. Keep in mind that there might be some subtle variations in the calorie content of your favorite drink's version of diet versus zero sugar, and that just fluctuates depending on the brand and type of soda that you like. But just read the label, it's nothing major. Most of them are going to be 0 calories, but you might see some 5 calorie or 10 calorie indications. But again, that difference is so little that it's almost meaningless. The difference that is a little bit more meaningful is the amount of caffeine content in these diet sodas versus the zero sugar. Now, when we're talking about Pepsi products in particular, there's about a doubling of a difference. So Diet Pepsi has approximately 50 something milligrams of caffeine in a 16.9 ounce bottle of soda. But the zero sugar version of Pepsi has about double, maybe like 90 something milligrams of caffeine in the 16.9 ounce bottle. So you're gonna see that it's about 2 times more caffeine, approximately, give or take. So if caffeine is an issue for you, then that is something that you just need to be aware of. But outside of that, it's a taste difference and the caffeine difference. That's pretty much it. And it's just up to you which one you like better. And by the way, guys, don't be afraid to experiment with other flavors of soda, such as not just the zero sugar and Diet Pepsi, but also over the summer, I've been trying out cherry Diet Pepsi, and I gotta say the cherry Diet Pepsi is very good, tastes great. There's something about that combination that is really good. They really did a great job on that flavor. And also Mountain Dew has been doing some really creative things with their zero sugar flavor portfolio, expanding into a bunch of different flavors. This one notably here, I had a video on this on my channel. It does taste great, really refreshing. It's available at Walmart exclusively, and you can get it in the cases of with the cans or the bottles. But definitely try the zero sugar version. It tastes great, and it doesn't have the calories of the sugary version that they also carry. So give this a shot. Frostbite exclusively at Walmart. And another flavor of Mountain Dew, again also in their zero sugar portfolio family of products, is this Baja Blast Also extremely refreshing. I like the taste a lot. It's not a Walmart exclusive, so you can find these in a lot more different supermarkets besides Walmart. And the flavor is, in addition to being refreshing, it's almost like a tropical lime flavor. In fact, that's what it says on the label. And I would say it does give me that aftertaste of lime. Extremely delicious, especially if you enjoy it ice cold like I do. Again, Baja Blast Mountain Dew, zero sugar. Check it out in your favorite supermarket, see if they have it. And now for my current favorite diet zero sugar soft drink carbonated beverage, and that is Dr. Pepper Zero Sugar Cherry. This is a really great tasting flavor. I fell in love with it the first time I got this. Unfortunately, very hard to come by in stores. Even at Walmart, it's hard to find these in stock, but I do have the next best thing, which is Dr. Pepper Zero Sugar. Nope, it doesn't have the cherry flavor, but guess what, guys? It tastes pretty good. Not as good as that other one with the cherry flavor, but I do like Dr. Pepper. There's something about the unique flavor of Dr. Pepper that's different from every other soda. Ever since the first time I tried it on an airplane flight, Dr. Pepper is really something that I can't live without as far as buying it at least once every few months. And the zero sugar version tastes absolutely great. And the fact that it's no calories, that's just a win-win in my book, guys. And that goes for all of these sodas, guys, that are diet or zero sugar. It's just amazing that in today's age, you can get a zero sugar, low calorie beverage with basically 0 calories and very low sugar, if any at all. And they taste great. There's no bitter aftertaste with the artificial sweeteners that they used to use in the past. Somehow they've refined this to the point that it tastes absolutely great. And I do recommend that if you are a soda drinker, switch over to some of these zero sugar varieties. You might be pleasantly surprised at how good these are. Important disclaimer, guys, if you are not currently a soft drink or soda drinker and you just primarily drink water for your hydration purposes with meals and just throughout the day, then I would say definitely stick to that. You have nothing to gain by switching to soda or even diet soda. The only reason I talk about soda is because, number one, I do like it. I do enjoy it personally. So I feel I have a casual opinion that can inform people of the kind of drinks that are out there and how I use them. But also because a lot of people that do drink soda, some of them, or a lot of them probably, still drink the sugary ones, which contain quite a bit of calories, hundreds of calories per serving, whether it's per serving in a can or a soda bottle, which is the 16.9 ounce, which is what you get in the multi-pack in a supermarket, or if you buy convenience store bottles or bottles loose single serving sizes in a supermarket, those are going to be the slightly larger 20 ounce sizes. So hundreds of calories either way if you consume sugary sodas. So it is beneficial to switch from that to a zero sugar or diet, low calorie, 0 calorie soda if possible. Now, as far as good things to do with soda, that good ways to use them, I would say if you are an alcohol drinker and you want to maybe gradually reduce your consumption a little bit, maybe you could try replacing soda with one of those alcoholic beverages. So take away a drink at dinner or at lunch and replace it with a nice diet soda. It'll still be refreshing. It's not going to have the alcoholic content, of course. That's not going to happen, but you are going to have that non-water exciting taste of a diet soda, which could be enough to get you to skip at least one drink, and that could be good. That'll cut your calories and also help you to reduce your alcoholic consumption. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but if you are in need of reduction in your alcoholic beverage consumption, this drinking soda, that's a good way to, at least maybe for you, to start to kind of ramp that down, wind it down, and your health is going to benefit a lot from that, not only from the reduced calories, but also from you just drinking less alcohol. And it's a way that I have seen other people do it upon my suggestion, and I think it might work for others as well, guys. So with that being said, hope you got something out of this video. Stay safe out there, and I will see you in the next one. Take care, guys.